नमस्कार दोस्तों, स्वागत है आपका हमारे YouTube चैनल हिम इंडिया एजुकेशन पे। आज हम जो क्लैरिकल का पेपर हुआ था 18/10/2020 को पोस्ट कोड 763 उसके आंसर शेयर करने जा रहे हैं। क्वेश्चन और ये जो सीरीज़ है, ये सीरीज़ आपके सामने जो सॉल्व हो रही है, ये सीरीज़ सी रहेगी, याद रखिएगा। क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट, स्टार्टअप इंडिया स्कीम वाज लॉन्च्ड इन विच ईयर? द राइट आंसर इज़ 2016. Question number 2. Round revolution is related with the production of which of the following? Right answer is D. Potato. Question number 3. Which is the largest producer and consumer of black tea in the world? Right answer is D. India. Question number 4. Which industry policy resolution is called the Economic Constitution of India? Right answer is 1956. Option number B. Question number 5. Asia first export processing zone was set up in 1965 at. Right answer is A. Kandla. Question number 6. FERA stands for. Right answer is C. Foreign Exchange Regulation Act. Question number 7 is RBI was constituted on the recommendation of which commission? Right answer is A. Hilton Young Commission. Question number 8. The rate at which RBI gives finance to the commercial bank is called. Right answer is A. Repo rate. Question number 9. Which authority regulates the insurance sector? Right answer is C. IRDAI. Question number 10. Which is also called paper gold? Right answer is C. Special drying rights. Question number 11. SI unit of energy is. Right answer is C. Joule. Question number 12. The satellite whose time period is 24 hours is called. Option C. Geostationary satellite. Which is used as back view mirror? Right answer is B. Convex mirror. Question number 14. Who discovered the phenomena of radioactivity? Right answer is D. All of these. Question number 15. Which catalyst is used in manufacturing of ghee from vegetable oils? Right answer is nickel. Option number D. Question number 16. Common salt is. Right answer is A. Sodium chloride. Question number 17. Which is the first metal used by man? Right answer is A. Copper. Question number 18. Solder is an alloy of. Right answer is C. Lead and tin. Question number 19. CNG mainly contains. Right answer is C. Methane. Question number 20. Graphite is also called. Right answer is B. Black lead. Question number 21. Soaps are. Right answer is A. Sodium and potassium salts of higher fatty acid. Question number 22. Bakelite is made of. Right answer is C. Formaldehyde and phenol. Question number 23. Chemical vinegar is. Right answer is D. Acetic acid. Question number 24. Vitamin C is. Right answer is A. Ascorbic acids. Question number 25. COVID-19 is caused by. Right answer is D. Virus. Question number 26. Which is a social insect? Right answer is A. Ant. Question number 27. The second largest gland of the human body. Right answer is B. Pancreas. Question number 28. Kidney stone is generally composed of. Right answer is C. Calcium oxalate crystals. Question number 29. Pneumonia affects which organ of human body? Right answer is B. Lungs. Question number 30. Dolly was a cloned. Right answer is C. Sheep. क्वेश्चन नंबर 31. दोस्तों यहाँ से हिमाचल का जीके सेक्शन स्टार्ट होने जा रहा है. किन्नौर वाज कार्व्ड आउट ऑफ ए तहसील ऑफ अर्ट्सवाइल महासू डिस्ट्रिक्ट इन 1960. राइट आंसर इज ए. चीनी. क्वेश्चन नंबर 32. पीर पंजाल इज ए फेमस रेंज ऑफ विच पार्ट? राइट आंसर इज बी. मिड हिमालय रेंज. क्वेश्चन नंबर 33. कुमार लेक इज सिचुएटेड इन विच डिस्ट्रिक्ट ऑफ HP? राइट आंसर इज ए. मंडी. Question number 34. Spiti river is a tributary of which river of HP? Right answer is C. Satluj. Question number 35. Chadwick waterfall is located in which place? Right answer is D. Summerhill, Shimla. Question number 36. Nehru Kund is located in which valley of HP? Right answer is C, Kullu Valley. Question number 37. Makrodi Jodh is situated in which district of HP? Right answer is A, Kangra. Question number 38. Halda festival is situated in which district of HP? Right answer is D, Lahaul Spiti. Question number 39. Jayanti Mata Temple is located in which place in HP? Right answer is B, Kangra. Question number 40. Jorna Fair is celebrated at which place in HP? दोस्तों इस क्वेश्चन में थोड़ा डाउट है, तो इसके लिए ऑफिशियल आंसर की का वेट करिए. क्वेश्चन नंबर 41. द ओल्ड नेम ऑफ उदयपुर वाज? राइट आंसर इज डी, मिरुकल. क्वेश्चन नंबर 42. द कैपिटल ऑफ भागल प्रिंसली स्टेट वाज? राइट आंसर इज बी, अर्की. क्वेश्चन नंबर 43. सेक्स रेशो ऑफ HP पर सेंसस 2011 इज? राइट आंसर इज डी, 972. बहुत ही बार रिपीट होने वाला क्वेश्चन है दोस्तों ये. क्वेश्चन नंबर 44. द फर्स्ट डिप्टी स्पीकर ऑफ HP विधानसभा वाज? राइट आंसर इज बी, कृष्ण चंद्र. क्वेश्चन नंबर 45. द राइटर ऑफ द बुक हिमालय डिस्ट्रिक्ट कुल्लू लाहौल स्पीति? राइट आंसर इज सी, APF हारकोट. क्वेश्चन नंबर 46. OP Talk वाज ए फेमस पेंटर ऑफ विच स्कूल पेंटिंग? राइट आंसर इज ए, कांगड़ा. Question number 47. The HP Private Industry Institution Regulatory Commission was established in which year? Right answer is A, 2010. Question number 48. Suketi Fossil Park is located in? Right answer is B, सिरमौर. ये भी बहुत बार रिपीट हुआ क्वेश्चन है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 49. वार मेमोरियल इज? राइट आंसर इज बी, धर्मशाला. ये क्वेश्चन देखो दोस्तों बहुत ही बार रिपीट हुए क्वेश्चन है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 50. करचम वंगो हाइड्रोलिक प्रोजेक्ट इज कंसिडर्ड इन विच रिवर? राइट आंसर इज ए, सतलुज. इसके बाद ज्योमेट्री का क्वेश्चन है दोस्तों, ये आप खुद से सोल्व कर लेना. हम लोग जीके की तरफ ही जाएंगे फिलहाल. क्वेश्चन नंबर 61. Who is the chairperson of the recently reconstituted National Platform Disaster Risk Production? The right answer is A, Union Home Minister. Question number 62. Airport of Maharashtra has been recently renamed Chhatrapati Sambhaji Maharaj Airport. Right answer is A, Aurangabad Airport. Question number 63. According to the recent estimate published by a UN Conference on Trade and Development, which economy is most affected by the coronavirus outbreak? Right answer is C, European Union. Question number 64. Which engineering institutes of India has been obtained the highest rank in the recent QS World Ranking? The right answer is IIT Madras. Which Indian is the recipient of the 128th Commonwealth Points of Light Award? Right answer is C, Afroz Shah. Question number 66. What is the time limit within which the Lokpal shall dispose of a complaint of alleged corruption against public servant? Right answer is A, 30 days. Question number 67. The mobile application Humsafar is in news associated with? Right answer is B, do delivery of fuel. Question number 68. Muhyiddin Yassin recently sworn in as the new Prime Minister of which country? Right answer is C, Malaysia. Question number 69. Niti Aayog has recently selected the UT for first pilot project on sustainable development goals. Right answer is A, Jammu Kashmir. Question number 70th. As a 2020, how many languages in India are been given of the status of classical language? Right answer is C, 6. दोस्तों आगे इंग्लिश का वर्ज़न है, ये भी आप खुद कर लेंगे क्योंकि आज हमने सिर्फ जीके का सेक्शन ही कवर करना है. तो इंग्लिश और हिंदी ये जो सेक्शन है ये लोग आप सोल्व कर लेंगे. क्वेश्चन नंबर 111 की तरफ हम लोग जाएंगे. हु डिस्कवर्ड द हरप्पन? क्वेश्चन नंबर 111. हु डिस्कवर हरप्पा इन 1921? राइट आंसर इज ए, दयाराम Sani. Question number 112. The word Aryan literally means? The right answer is C, of high worth. Question number 113. The Rigvedic name of river Saraswati was? Right answer is इसका दोस्तों थोड़ी सी कन्फ्यूज़न है, इसके लिए आप ऑफिशियल आंसर की का वेट कर सकते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 114, विच रूलर वाज कंटेम्पररी टू गौतम बुद्धा? राइट आंसर इज डी, बिम्बिसार। क्वेश्चन नंबर 115, द collect of Buddha ceremonies was? Right answer is B, Sutta Payaka. Question number 116, Ashoka principle of the government and policy of Dhamma is mentioned in which edicts? Right answer is A, Major Rock edicts. Question number 117, the capital of Pallav was at? Right answer is A, Kanchi. Which Delhi Sultanate completed the construction of Qutub Minar? Right answer is B, Iltutmish. दोस्तों इसका शुरुआत जो थी कुतुब ऐबक ने की थी, जो इसको कंप्लीट किया था वो इल्तुतमिश ने किया था। क्वेश्चन नंबर 119, निकोलो कॉन्टी ए ट्रैवलर बिलोंग टू विच कंट्री? राइट आंसर इज ए, इटली। क्वेश्चन नंबर 120, हु रोट तजुके बारबरी? राइट आंसर इज सी, बाबर। क्वेश्चन नंबर 121, हु प्लांटेड द ट्री ऑफ लिबर्टी एट श्रीरंगपट्टनम? राइट आंसर इज सी, Tipu Sultan. The first Governor General of India was? Right answer is B, Warren Hastings. The original name of Vivekananda was? Right answer is C, Narendranath Dutt. Question number 124, who was the first Muslim president of Indian National Congress? Right answer is D, Babruddin Tayyabji. Question number 125, Gandhi Irwin Pact took place in which year? Right answer is B, 131. Question number 126, Jhaveri system are related to which? Right answer is D, Manipuri. 127 क्वेश्चन, लाहौर इज ए फोक डांस ऑफ विच इंडियन स्टेट? राइट आंसर इज ए, मेघालय। क्वेश्चन नंबर 128, सेकंड वर्ल्ड वॉर वाज टुक प्लेस ड्यूरिंग? राइट आंसर इज सी, 1939 to 45. क्वेश्चन नंबर 129, सरफेस टेम्परेचर ऑफ सन इज बिलोंग्स टू? राइट आंसर इज ए, 6000 per degree Celsius. Question number 130, which is a densest planet? Right answer is A, Earth. Which is the shortest day in southern hemisphere? Right answer is C, 21st June. Question number 132, the core of the earth is composed of? The right answer is nickel and iron, option C. 133 question, seismology deals with the study of? Right answer is C, earthquake. Question number 134, coal is which type of rock? Right answer is B, sedimentary. Question number 135, which is a greenhouse gases? Right answer is D, all of these. Question number 136, westerlies generally blows in which direction? Right answer is A, southwest to the northeast. Question number 137, which of the following is classified under the category of high clouds? Right answer is A, cirrus. Question number 138, Pirare is a grassland of which country? Right answer is B, USA. Question number 139, which is the busiest ocean for trade? Right answer is A, Atlantic Ocean. Question number 140, 38 parallel is a boundary line between? Right answer is C, North area and South Korea. Question number 141, lowest place in Asia is? Right answer is A, Dead Sea. Question number 142, Niger river originate from? Right answer is Guinea, option B. Question number 143, Manchester in UK is famous for which of the following? Right answer is D, cotton textiles. Question number 144, which is the highest peak of Naga Hills? Right answer is D, Saramati. Question number 145, which is the youngest part of Himalaya? Right answer is A, Shivalik. Question number 146, 8-degree channel separate Lakshadweep from? Right answer is A, Maldives. Hirakud project is constructed on which river? Right answer is D, Mahanadi. Question number 148, India has a which type of climate? Right answer is A, tropical monsoon. Question number 149, Nunmati oil refinery is located in which state? Right answer is C, Assam. Question number 150, the first electric train in India was? दोस्तों इसके लिए ऑफिशियल आंसर की का वेट करिएगा। क्वेश्चन नंबर 151, हु वाज द चेयरमैन ऑफ रूल्स ऑफ प्रोसीजर कमिटी कंस्टिट्यूटेड बाय द कंस्टिट्यूएंट असेंबली? राइट आंसर इज बी, डॉक्टर राजेंद्र प्रसाद. Question number 152, the ideals of liberty, equality and fraternity in preamble was adopted from? Right answer is A, France. Question number 153, which part of the Indian Constitution deal with the UPSC and State Public Service Commission? Right answer is D, part number 14. Question number 154, which schedule of the Indian Constitution deals with anti-defection law? Right answer is C, 10th. Question number 155, Goa came into existence in which year? Right answer is 1987, option A. Question number 156. Indian citizenship can be acquired by foreigner who resided in India for how many years? Right answer is C, 12 years. Question number 157. Which writ deals with the unlawful detention? Right answer is A, habeas corpus. Question number 158. Which articles of the Indian Constitution deal with the separation of judiciary from executive? Right answer is D, Article 50. Question number 159. Total fundamental duties mentioned in the Indian Constitution was B, 11. Question number 160. Who was the youngest president of India? Right answer is A, N. Sanjeeva Reddy. 161 question. In India, first emergency was declared in which year? Right answer is 1962. Which is a permanent body? Right answer is Rajya Sabha. Option A. Question number 163. Total number of Lok Sabha seats in Maharashtra. Right answer is C, 48. Question number 164. Which stands at the apex of judiciary system? Right answer is D, none of these, क्योंकि इसका जो आंसर था वो सुप्रीम कोर्ट आएगा. Question number 165. Who appoints the Advocate General of the state? Right answer is Governor. Question number 166. Electricity supply falls in which category? Right answer is B, secondary sector. 167. CSO was constituted in which year? 1951. Right answer is B. Question number 168. Niti Aayog refers to? Right answer is C, National Institute for Transforming India. Question number 169. Removal of poverty was one of the objectives of which 5-year plan? Right answer is D, 6th. Question number 170. The type of unemployment which productive capacity in adequate to create a sufficient number of jobs? Right answer is structural employment. दोस्तों, अगर ये आपको वीडियो अच्छा लगा तो प्लीज़ हमारा यूट्यूब चैनल हिम इंडिया एजुकेशन को सब्सक्राइब और लाइक ज़रूर करें. थैंक यू.